Hola y bienvenidos a Español 135. My name is Tara Greatorex. I'll be your instructor this semester, this summer, and I'm looking forward to having a great summer with you all. Just want to give you this quick video overview of the way our D2L course works. So when you log in, the first thing we're going to click on is content, and then we're going to start where it says start here. So the first thing you'll see is like this video, and then after that, this is all important information for you to go through. We'll just go over a couple things together. So let's look at the calendar. This course has 15 modules. Because it's a summer class, we need to do 15 modules in 12 weeks. So it is an accelerated format, which means that there is a module due about every 4 to 5 days. And if there's a discussion board within that module, it will be due like 2 days into the module. So when you sign up for a summer class, like, it is accelerated. Please make sure that you're able to log into the course like at least several times a week. If you don't have time to do that, I recommend taking this course in the fall or the spring instead, when the due dates are more like once a week. But in the summer, it comes up fast. So you really want to make sure you like check out this calendar, make sure you have all those dates, and realize that you need to be logging in like every couple of days at least. Okay, so here we have the grading. So every module, we have a homework packet. For those homework packets, you will have unlimited attempts, and you can take as long as you want. Like, you can go in and out of them. We will also have a vocab quiz every module. Those are not unlimited attempts. Those are one attempt only. And once you open them, you have to finish, and it's timed. So like, don't open those until you're ready to take the quiz. There's also a little speaking recording every module. So that will be either answering questions in Spanish or asking questions in Spanish. We have 2 pronunciation projects, one in like kind of in the middle of the semester, where you will read a text and aim for accurate pronunciation. And then we have 5 discussion boards plus an introductory one, a field specific project where you're going to interview someone about working with Spanish speakers in the medical field, and then a final video project. So if we look at the calendar, you can see the dates here for all the modules. So again, it's about every 4 to 5 days. So make sure you set your reminders for the due dates, and you'll see on this side, you'll see the due dates for the discussion boards, and the initial post is always going to be due 2 days before the end of the module. So this module ends May 18th, and you need to finish the initial post by May 16th. And so here you can see what's due each module. Please pay attention to this note here that you must submit the module 1 items to establish your attendance in the course by May 18th. So again, it comes up really fast, but the college has to report students who are not attending the class, and that date is going to be by the end of module 1. So make sure that you submit like the first quiz, which is just about the course. It doesn't count towards your grade. It just needs to establish your attendance, and make sure you submit your intro speaking assignment and your intro discussion board so that you can establish your attendance. This is so important. So please make sure that you mark that you have submitted things by May 18th, or you will be removed from the course. Okay. So that is the calendar. The other things that are going to start here, you'll see my contact information, the textbook information. This is the textbook, Spanish for Healthcare. You can get a used copy. You can rent an ebook, whatever you want to do. Just make sure you have access to the pages. And then here you can also see how you can add accents. There's different ways to do it, so make sure you check that out. You will need to do that on the quizzes. Okay, so then we can see the modules. So there's a different video for module 1 and 2, so make sure you watch that video after you watch this, but you can see all the modules are here. They unlock a couple days before the module starts, and then they close, and the assignments are due at the end of those dates, so you can see everything there. Okay, that's it for the overview. Make sure you check out the videos in modules 1 and 2 so you can see how the modules will work for each module, and let me know if you have any questions. I'm always here to answer questions for you. I am going to be one of the faculty members on a study abroad program, so I'll be traveling during modules 2 and 3, but I will still be answering emails. I just might answer them at weird times because I will be in a different time zone. I hope everyone's summer gets off to a great start, and again, you can contact me with any questions. My contact information is under start here under the instructor information. And here you can also read about each of the more detail of each of the assignments and like what each of those things involve as a category. All right, guys, have a great summer. I look forward to working with all of you.